was inspired by the first Dork Diaries book where Nikki Maxwell was using her pen to draw tattoos on her friends Chloe and Zoe and the students at Westchester Country Day. Hi! It's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, please subscribe. So in this video, it is art related. I'm going to be creating temporary tattoos for my artwork. I'm using this inkjet printable temporary tattoo sheet. I got this at Joann's for $9.99, $10, so they're really affordable. You can also find it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or any craft store near you. I came up with this idea back in May 2019 when I was volunteering out of school, and I was like, oh, I came up with a great idea. I should make tattoos for my artwork. And of course, I'm not going to get a real tattoo. I just want to make temporary ones just for fun. And I love art, and I want to step up my art game. So I'm really excited to do this. I can't wait to print my artwork, and I will probably do one on my hand. I'll do one on my shoulder, just like this girl right here. The instructions are on the back. So I'm excited for this, and I hope I do this correctly. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me. Give this video so many likes, turn on your notifications, and without further ado, let's get started. So here is the sheet. It comes with one sheet, and I wish it came with two in case I messed up. It is 8.5 inches times 11 inches. We have all of the instructions on the back. There's also oh my gosh, what the heck? It was made in Japan? Kawaii sugoi! Wow. For some reason I thought this would be made in China, but it's made in Japan. That is so awesome. Alright, it has general instructions. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm on my MacBook. I'm gonna open up my Bianca artwork. And I'm definitely going to make a tattoo out of my Bianca Kelina the Hedgehog drawing. I'm a huge Sonic fan. And then I'm going to use my 22nd birthday artwork on my shoulder. And then in the first Dork Diaries book, Nikki Maxwell drew Champion on her hand at the end of the book. And I decided to make my own. I have a YouTube logo, a moon, stars, hearts, rose, this swirly heart design, and Champion the Champion text that I made in Pixlr. And I'm going to make it really small so it can fit well on my hand. I think I'll put it on my right hand, and I'm going to transfer the pictures onto Google Docs. I have to make sure that everything fits because it's going to be one sheet. Printed my drawings. I printed it on both sides just in case. And see, the Champion is mirrored. And then it says I have to let the paper dry to 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, so my pictures are done drying, and the next thing I have to do is to apply this green sticky thing. So I'm placing my tattoo on a flat surface. It's this bed desk that I got from Home Goods. And now I'm going to peel this off, and I'm so nervous. Okay, I tried my best, and now I'm going to cut it out. So first I'm going to cut out my chibi logo. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable! Alright, they're all cut out, and I have to peel this off, I think. Alright. I'm so excited for this. Time for my Sonic one. Woo! I am a champion! I peeled them off, and now I'm going to use a damp cloth and place them on me. And I'm gonna start with the Champion one first. Alright, I damped a towel, and I have my Champion. So I'm going to place it like this. And then I think I'm supposed to hold it for 20 seconds. And, oh, almost. god, it worked! Oh my god! Wow! Oh yay, I did it correctly! Yay! It worked! So this part is kind of what's peeling off and it's a little bit faded, but I did it! I'm very happy how this turned out. So last night I took a shower and the drawings around the champion are kind of faded because on my paint program I drew them with the thinnest paintbrush, but the champion still looks nice, so now I know I can just do the champion only. Okay, next I'm going to add my 22nd birthday picture on my shoulder right here. Okay, pull up my shirt. I'll put it right here. And then we're going to hold it. Wow! Happy birthday to you. Next, I'm going to put my Sonic character right here on my forearm. So let's do this. So place it down and then hold it with a damp towel. Hold it. Oh my god! Oh my god! It looks amazing! I have my Sonic character on my... Wow! Lastly, I'm going to place my chibi YouTuber on my right wrist right here. Whoa! This is mad awesome! I'm very happy how this turned out. It's my birthday on my shoulder. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be turning 23 in June. The end. Well, that is it for making temporary tattoos for my artwork. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Turn on your notifications and let me know in the comments below, do you like reading the Dork Diaries book? And by the way, see ya!